Listen, Prime Minister of India with unaided ears. Listen, Home Minister of India with pair of ears. Listen, Chief Minister of Bihar with own ears. Is the name Vidyapati justified for Darbhanga Airport? Darbhanga Airport was planned and constructed by Maharaja Kameshwar Singh on his own land. He spent his own money to develop it. Later he gave it to Indian Air Force to serve the nation instead of serving of his own family. Notably, during that period, the Vidyapati was not alive. That means the contribution of Vidyapati for establishment of Darbhanga Airport was nothing. Vidyapati was court poet of Shiv Singh during 13th century. Similarly, the court poet of Kameshwar Singh was Chanda Jha. Now there is a question that the credit of establishment of airport should given to a court poet or a Maharaja. If we are giving credits to poets, have you ever heard of Shakespeare's airport? If we are giving credit to court members, have you ever heard of Tansen Airport, Birbal Airport? According to the people of Mithila who have been proposing the name of Vidyapati, he is an idol or symbol person for Mithila region. If the name of airport should be on the name of an idol of Mithila, then there is a question that is Vidyapati first and last idol of Mithila? If Mithila is the land of idols, then why not the name of any other person is proposed? Why only Vidyapati? Do we not have any other celebrated person to boast upon or to be proud of? No. We have many such personalities. Then why not any one of them? Why only Vidyapati is celebrated every time, everywhere, whenever modern Mithila is considered? Let's say we name Raja Salhesh. He was also from Madhubani, as Vidyapati was. Why not him? Is it because Vidyapati was a Brahman but Raja Salhesh was not? Is Mithila still opinionated and leaned towards the so-called upper caste glorification and so-called lower class ignorance and negligence? In our modern society where we respect democracy, equality, secularism, is this not discrimination? Is this not partiality? This is the question we are leaving you with. This is the question we want you to ponder upon. Is Vidyapati justified for naming Darbhanga Airport?